Hey guys, off-road 94 here. It's cold. It's really cold out. It's like 27 degrees. Got a little dusty and snow on the ground. Got a cold start. Duramax, which won't be any trouble for it. Car's just got a coat on. Yeah, let's go over here. Not a big fan of mornings. Alright, here we go. No glow plugs this time though. Huh. Interesting. Alright. Let's turn that on. There you go, guys. Intake temp. I wonder if that's right. Because it's like 28. Ice. My hand's shaking. Sorry about that. Alright. Oh, look, it's so cold in here, you can see my breath. Well, I can. I don't know if you can. Oh, nah. I'm not gonna start. Ooh, look. There's still ice. Yeah, it's a little slippery. LT. Alright guys, I'm gonna go in. So I hope you enjoy that cold start. I'll do this sometime, just not now. And that sometime, just not now. And that sometime, and that sometime, yeah. Alright. Please rate and subscribe, guys. Thanks for watching. It says LX on the hood. Or XLX. Alright. Thanks for watching, guys.